everyone. Today we are going to write the letter W. First we will write the capital letter. We start with a slant line. We go up in a slant line, but we go up only till the second line. Again we come down in slant line. Now we go up to the first line in a slant. This is capital W. Again big slant line, small slant line, small slant line and big slant line. This is capital W. Now we are going to write small cursive W. We can start with a tiny curve, up, down, up and out. This point we will leave in the middle of these two lines. Again, we start with a tiny curve. We come down, make a big curve, go up till the middle of the line, come down, again go up, tiny circle and out. This is small cursive W. When we are writing this letter, we are going to make the sound W, but this time our upper teeth will not touch the lower lip. Instead, we will make a pointed shape of our mouth and then we will say W, 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 W. Right? So keep practicing.